Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are reviewing the Honor 8X. This phone was sent to us by Honor to check out, and they wanted me to tell you about a contest, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out about that. Overall, this phone, first and foremost, looks amazing. Now, around the world, it is under the $300 range, so it's going to be really interesting to see what the price is when it comes to the US. However, first and foremost, for a phone that's budgeted at that price point, to have this beautiful looking design, not just a standard glass display, but a two-tone one, have a metal frame. I really love the quality of this. And that extends to the things such as the unlocking mechanism. So you have a really great, simple and easy face unlock that is really fast and really impressed me how quick it is, as well as a fingerprint unlock as well. Now, it does have the notch, but if you are like me, and most of you have said you are, you might not like the notch, so you can get rid of it really quickly and easily with its software, and you never have to see it again. Now, this does have some AI functionality, which is the logo, of course, you see on the back, and it really stands out in three key components, I would say. First and foremost, the Kirin 710 processor is amazing for gaming. I put Asphalt 9 up to its highest quality, and I really didn't notice much of a difference compared to even the best flagships currently on the market. And again, that is impressive to get this turbo boosting power on a phone at this level, making the GPU even better and comparable to sub $500, $600, $700 phones. That is really impressive for us to get in this day and age. Now, the second part of the AI would be for eye comfort. It has a really great feature basically where you can turn the eye comfort on, which again, a lot of things have blue light filters. This actually has a blue light certification, which really is impressive. It just shows how serious they are about having that blue light protection from your eyes, so you have that ability. Again, that is just the way it's going with the whole AI functionality. Third, most importantly, I would probably say, is going to be the camera AI. Now, the camera AI really does stand out in different functionalities, and all I have to say about it is that it's really impressive to get this good of a low light and good selfies in a phone in this price range. Again, that is one thing that I really will say the biggest thing you miss in a phone when it's under $400 is the fact that you just do not get good cameras. It's a rarity, and for this phone, like, it would be really good quality to have at this price range, more than even a lot of other smartphones. This has a better camera than the Essential phone, than other smartphones that I've tested, and I think it has to do with that AI functionality. Overall, it really stands out in different modes, such as night mode, you have HDR ability, and you really have a lot of great modes inside of it. So kudos to Honor for doing a really good camera in a budget price point. Now, overall, I did tell you guys about a really cool event they're doing, which is called Cheer for Honor 8X. So you're going to use that hashtag Cheer for Honor 8X, and you get the chance to post any 15-second clip on Instagram or any of social media, and basically say what you like about the Honor 8X. What out of these features that I went over do you really like about it? Post it online. Once you do, you get the chance to win certain things such as Honor 4 bands and even the new Honor Magic 2, which has not been announced yet, but it is a full screen display phone with a pop-up camera. So if you want the chance to win one of those, enter in. I'll leave all this good stuff in the description down below, but this is really impressive, and the biggest thing that this phone really stands out to me is how good of a quality we're getting now for a price point that we couldn't get before. I mean, if you just want a basic smartphone, good camera, amazing looking screen that has some really good quality to it, then this is one you want to check out, because it really is impressive what we get nowadays for this kind of price range. All in all, the Honor 8X really is a great phone, and the 7X was one of the best phones of 2018. I think the 8X is going to follow in suit. Overall, really impressed by this phone. Really love the idea of getting this kind of quality for a lower price range. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you like the fact that we can get so much more for such a lower price range in the US and around the world nowadays? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.